A lot of girls worry they can't glow up for school without money, but trust me, you can look clean, fresh, and confident without spending anything. Yes, it's totally possible, and today I'll show you how to start your school days with a glow up on a $0 budget. Skincare the smart way. Let's talk about skincare, the part every teen worries about. And guess what? You don't need to spend a single dollar to glow. Start with the easiest step. Just wash your face with plain water in the morning and at night. Water alone helps remove sweat and oil. If you want a deeper clean, you can use a pinch of gram flour or even rice flour from your kitchen instead of fancy cleansers. For a quick DIY glow mask, try mixing honey with a little bit of lemon juice or even plain yogurt. It instantly refreshes your skin. And here's the golden rule: never skip moisturizing. If you don't have products, even a drop of coconut oil or aloe vera gel from the plant works perfectly. Finally, apply a simple moisturizer or SPF before stepping out, and your natural glow is ready to shine without spending a cent. Oral care. Nothing ruins confidence faster than bad breath. So, brush twice a day, and if toothpaste runs out, even rinsing with salt water works as a natural cleanser. Don't forget flossing and using a tongue cleaner if you want truly fresh breath. Clean oral hygiene makes your smile brighter and boosts your overall charm. Simple school hairstyles. You don't need fancy tools or products for your hair. A neat ponytail, a side braid, or even leaving your hair down with a middle part can make you look put together. The key is neatness. Brush your hair properly, tie it well, and instantly your look goes from messy to polished. Hands, feet, and nails. Your nails speak a lot about your personality. Keep them trimmed and clean. If you can, shape them into simple round or square edges, neat and safe for school. Wash your hands and feet properly, scrub gently with soap and water, and apply a little petroleum jelly or any cream you already have at home to keep them soft. Clothes and accessories, iron your uniform if possible, or simply fold it neatly the night before to avoid wrinkles. Clean shoes matter more than you think. Wipe them with a damp cloth to make them look fresh. Even a simple clean hair tie, a cute clip can, or a simple elegant wristwatch add personality to your look. And don't forget your school bag. A neat and organized bag can instantly make you look and feel more put together. Arrange your books according to your timetable, keep your stationery in one place, and avoid throwing random papers inside. When your bag looks clean and tidy, it not only saves you time, but also adds to your overall glow-up vibe. Another free glow-up secret is posture. Sit straight in class, walk with your head up, and avoid slouching. Good posture makes you look confident and attractive instantly. And of course, the best glow-up tool in the world is your smile. Smiling more often makes you friendly, approachable, and full of positive. So remember, glowing up for school is not about spending money. It is about small habits, neatness, confidence, and the way you carry yourself. These $0 tips can help you start the new school year looking fresh, confident, and ready to shine. So, are you ready to glow up for school without spending a single dollar? Drop your answer in the comments.